Salut a tutti, hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share my designer and luxury purchases, among other things, perhaps a bit too much if you ask my wallet. So first disclaimer of this video today, if you hear construction noise, it's normal, we're still renovating the facade of my building. A lot of stress for me, but never mind if you feel that I'm talking a bit too loud or, this is live unboxing after all. This channel is the place where I share my shopping sprees. Very soon I could be making a video that completely stands out from my usual high-end fashion. But this will be, as I said, the topic for another video. I'm back sooner than expected. I invested in a pair of flat mules this time. So let's dive right into this package. I have a very useful tool here. Let's talk about the drama, because there always seems to be a plot twist, right? So this package took a week to arrive. I received it yesterday. I was really excited to film this video and share my live reaction with you. You remember my last live reaction with the Cha-Cha mules? I'm wearing them right now. I'm gonna try to, avoid falling. This is a surprise unboxing as well. Like, again, when I was filming my Cha-Cha mules review, when I opened the package and found that instead of the Cha-Cha mules, I had received the Orbit sneakers and in a different size as well. Yeah, unboxing in general always come with a little bit of suspense, but this one too, and especially since I didn't order my normal size. I'm a size 40, but the size 40 was sold out, unfortunately. I'm not entirely sure about the size, so this comes with a little extra suspense as well, not as much as the Cha-Cha mules, hopefully, although, surprise unboxing may be my new thing, who knows. And about the Cha-Cha mules, I'm glad I didn't edit the video because there was another twist. I'm gonna be able to share in my video about them. Anyways, today hopefully no sneakers, no mistakes, just a fabulous pair of mules. Oh my gosh, I can't even see the box inside. Here they are, wow. Look at the packaging. Okay, now I'm sure they're actually the mules I've ordered, namely the GG Interlocking round toe sandals. They're in their dust bags. Wow. They're even more gorgeous than what I expected. So far, I'm pleasantly surprised, but I'm slightly concerned too because it looks like they size small, and this is a problem because I took a size 39.5, as I told you, because the 40 was sold out. Again, at first sight, it looks like they size small. And talking about size, I'm filming these videos also because besides sharing my joy when I buy such beauties, the purpose of my videos is also to provide you with some sizing info. The sizing info for these, for instance, is a little bit confusing. They're Italian sizes and they're supposed to be a whole size bigger than European sizes, right? So my normal European size is 40, and again, the 40 was sold out, so it was no option. I took the 39.5. I looked at the sizing info, the 39.5 matched my feet measurements perfectly, especially for sandals. I think I'm really in between sizes. So again, who knows? The universe had a plan and made me bought these. So yeah, size matters because when you order such expensive items, you don't want to return them and wait for the refund and stress whether the package will arrive unscathed. And you don't want that. You don't want any of that. So you better know your size and how the shoes actually size as well. Again, sizing advice is practically non-existent on YouTube, or, you know, at least not for the things I'm looking for. So yeah, here I am. It took a while to arrive, and this is surprising for Gucci. Normally they're on express mode, 48 hours and done. So this time it took a week. Maybe it's a sign from the universe that I need to long for my purchases. Who knows? Another pair of mules, but unlike the Cha-Cha mules, these are flat and open-toed. And let me tell you, I've been on the lookout for a gorgeous pair of burgundy shoes like that for quite some time. I do have a pair of flat sandals by Isabelle Marant, but they're like toe ring sandals and they're not the most comfortable. These look way more comfortable, although this feels stiff right there, but okay, I'm gonna try them later. I'm gonna tell you whether they're comfortable or not. But yeah, these had caught my eye quite some time ago, and of course, you know, it was meant to be. Actually, now I come to think of it, I decided to buy them last week, and yeah, the 40, my normal size, was sold out. I think the 39.5 will be a better fit. So I bought them for their color first. It's stunning burgundy. The material I love too. It's pattern leather. If you know me, you know that I love patent leather and I love anything shiny, actually, like vinyl. It's a shade they've used a lot for their pre-fall collection. Rosso Ancora Burgundy, yet again. What a fitting name. I'm obsessed with this color, and olive green at the moment, just so you know. And the two, as you can tell from, again, their last collection, the last pre-fall collection, the two just rock together. But the reason why I was looking for a pair of burgundy sandal is, drum roll again, to match this bag. So what can I say? It's a perfect match. Except that the material is different from my Marmont bag. The logo is different as well, the Interlocking GG logo, but the two match perfectly. And you know how much I love to have pairs of accessories from the same designer. I feel like it's such a no-brainer when you get dressed. Even though you want to wear a very simple outfit, you can elevate it instantly if you're wearing matching bags and shoes from the same designer. It's a no-brainer to me. So I'm really happy. And this was another thing I was concerned with. Are the shades gonna match? Well, I think that they match perfectly, even though the bag is in a matte finish and the shoes are really shiny, but I love it. I love it. I love these even more. I hope they will fit, because now I really want to keep them, because we don't know how the size, remember? Surprise, surprise. This purchase is a little bit different too, as I always try to shop designer items on sale with a good discount. So of course, these are flying off the shelves. So needless to say, they're not discounted on Gucci's website. Or I also try to shop designer items on websites that provide a cashback, like Farfetch. And usually I look on Farfetch to see if the item I want is available so that I can get the cash back. But this time, this wasn't the case. Also, I tend to go more for seasonal buys. And you could ask me, why on earth are you buying this kind of shoes at the end of January? I bought these shoes for 3 reasons: the color, the matching with my bag, and fingers crossed for my upcoming trip to Miami, my dream winter destination, where hopefully I'll be debuting these beauties in the 3rd week of February. So yeah, interesting logo. They're flat, as I told you, a 1.5 centimeter heel. They're called round-toed sandals. I would say that it's neither round nor square, which make them really chic. In my opinion, that's another interesting detail. They're surprisingly elegant for flat sandals. Again, hopefully I'll be wearing them in Miami with my Marmont bag. But now the moment of truth, my Cinderella moment, because I feel like Cinderella each time. It never gets old. Now I'm gonna try them and spill all the tea about the sizing, because again, the fact that they're Italian sizes is confusing. I'm gonna try them on the protected surface. Here we go. So I'm wearing the Cha-Cha Mules and I'll leave this bag next to the shoes. Wow, they're perfect. Wow, the size is just perfect. They fit perfectly. They don't size big, they don't size small. They're just perfect. Okay, look at this match with the bag. I can't get enough of it. Well, I'm so happy and relieved. I didn't take the 39 or anything but this size that was left for me. Look how gorgeous and perfect they are. They're really something. And the look, now it feels weird because I'm wearing tights with my outfit today, but and plus it's very convenient because I'm not wearing any nail polish on my toes. But I can tell you that they feel comfortable as well. It's like, it's patent leather, but it's not, you know, that stiff, if I may say. The inside of the shoes feel soft enough for some reason. They size perfectly, they match my bag perfectly. What more could I ask for? For the styling part, head over to my Instagram to, you know, find all the outfits I'm gonna create around them. But yeah, I'm so glad that I sized half a size down. They size perfectly, but I feel that with flat sandals, you can take half a size down and they fit better, especially if you have narrow feet like I do have. So yeah, they're gorgeous. If you take your normal size, sometimes the length can be good, but what happens is they're too wide and the fabric can get creased, or definitely things you want to avoid with pricey items like that. I think you're gonna see me wearing burgundy even more. I've been obsessing over this shade for the past year, and the pairing with olive green, again, I have that amazing Gucci pre-fall 2025 collection in mind, and a pair of boots I hope I'll get my hands on, winter boots, but fabulous. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you find this video entertaining and useful, and now you know your size. Now you know the size you need to go for, at least for this model. I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Vi prego una buona giornata. Baci e scialate vi là.